Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC, and today I'll be doing a video walking you through how to download, unzip, and install the Universal G-Code sender. The web page may change a little bit as this video gets dated, but the principles should be the same. So I'm going to start by opening up my browser and just typing in UGS platform. This is the version that we want. Once we open up this page, we'll need to find the UGS page. And once we're here, we can click the downloads. And once we get to the downloads page, you'll see that you have the different versions that you'll need to go ahead and install. Now, if you have a Mac, obviously you want to use the Mac version. Linux CNC, you have a version. I have a Windows computer, so I'll click here. And then you will see that it's going to go ahead and download. Now, when this downloads, it's going to be in a zip file. So if you have a zip file, you have to unzip it before you can use it. You can't just go, walk through the folder and then try to unzip one file, right? So we want to unzip the whole thing. So I have this downloaded several times. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my folder, and then I'm going to go to my downloads, and then if I do by date modified, I should have a UGS platform right here, okay? And you can see I've already downloaded this version like 7 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it, or double click it, and it's gonna open up into this window. Now, if you can see your desktop, you can just drag this over to your desktop, or if you want to extract it in a certain point, or a certain directory, you can say extract all, and it will give you the opportunity to browse through and pick the directory where you want to install it. I'm a kind of a drag and drop person, so I'm going to go ahead and take it, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag it to my desktop, and you can see it's starting to extract that file, and it'll put it on my desktop. So once it's finished, you'll see the window will go away, and you can go ahead and close that folder, and you should have a UGS platform folder on your desktop that is no longer zipped up. So if we double click on that folder, it will open up and you'll have a bunch of folders. One of them will be named bin, or BIN. It actually stands for binary, and you'll be able to double click there and you'll have your application file. Now, this is where if you wanted to create a shortcut on your desktop, you could. Here's how I'm going to recommend that you do this. I want you to right click on the UGS 64 and then find create shortcut. Once you see the shortcut, you'll see that it has the file name, has a little arrow on the icon, and it also says shortcut. You can drag that to your desktop, and now you can close out this window. And from this point on, you'll be able to double click your shortcut and the program will open. So that is all I have about installing UGS. We started from the website, walked all the way through it, installed it, and you can see the first time that it's going to open, it's going to take a little bit of time, but it will definitely open. It is going to give you a box to see if you want to see the startup screen every time. I would recommend clicking that so that you do not have to see it every time. Thanks. All right, so now we have UGS platform loaded and it's running. So the next thing is just be able to hook it to the machine and see what's happening. So if you haven't seen it yet, I did do an introduction video on how UGS works and connects to the machine. So you'll definitely want to watch that. Talk to you later.